very interesting. Just in front of where Colin's standing, the plane does a lurch every single time. So there's got to be some air current there.
Well, there's the air intake down that end, isn't there?
Yeah, but no, it's just literally in front of Colin, like about
okay.
2 or 3 metres out. Every time it goes through that patch of air, the wings twitch.
Well, I can feel air circulating on my right cheek.
Okay.
So there must be a draft going through.
Sorry, 18's
Thank you, Colin. That's recorded for posterity. Would you like to say it a little louder? I think it's something to do with baked beans.
Oh, thank you very much. That should keep Andrew more than happy to see what a wonderful job he's created.
Andrew's doing really well.
Is he? Excellent. If you visited him in person, that's even better than him talking to me on the phone. Yeah, coming down.
Are you landing or?
No, I just we were up a bit high.
Oh, okay. All right.
Which is fine as long as we can.
And that's it, folks.
Thank you very much.